In today's video, I show you how to go offline on Facebook properly. It's important to note that you will need to set yourself offline in both the Facebook and the Messenger apps on your phone, as well as on the desktop versions if you use that Facebook account on your computer. And if you are logged in on multiple devices, make sure to set yourself offline on each one or log out from the extra ones. If you don't know how to see all the devices you are logged in on, keep watching. I will show you that later in the video. So stay with me, watch the full video and apply the steps that fit your situation best. Let's begin.